Hello and welcome to another session of Groundbreakers Live. I'm your host Javed Mohammed, and I'm very honored to have with us Otavio Santana. Otavio, hello and welcome.
Hello, Javed. How's it going, man?
It's going good. I think
Nice
we
to see
are
you again.
we are one big global community, but it's so nice having had met in person and traveled together so many times.
Yes,
Um,
I start to miss in the
yes.
plane
Uh,
time.
uh-huh.
You remember the time that I usually go to the airport?
Uh-huh.
The
I
time that I
do.
usually go get out of the home to do
Uh-huh.
something else?
Yes. Those
The
days will
time
come
that
back again.
hope so.
Uh-huh. So Otavio is a Groundbreaker Ambassador as well as a Java champion and just an awesome, cool guy. So with that, this session here was just going to be, we were actually going to meet at Dev.Next. But I just thought it was still, because we have technology like Zoom, it'll be a great opportunity to touch upon some of the highlights that Otavio was going to speak about. So Otavio, I know we were talking a little bit off camera. So your presentation was going to be about cloud native and how to use Java within that one. So perhaps I think you were going to start off with a somewhat of an overview because everybody uses the word cloud native. What is cloud native?
Yes, that's why I had this presentation. Basically, a lot of people decide to use that term, that term, and a lot of people has no idea what's that.
Hmm.
So let's say that cloud for sure is somebody else's computer. So basically, you don't care about the machine. You don't have no idea where's that. You don't care about to buy a server. You just like to use, right?
Hmm.
And cloud native, there are several approaches, several books who talk about that. My favorite one is cloud native is a collection of good practice to optimize your application in the cloud.
Say that one. Can you repeat that again? A cloud native is.
One way
Uh-huh.
to you optimize your application in the cloud.
Okay, to automate your application in the cloud. Okay.
Yes, that's the
Okay.
whole idea. So you can use container, you can use orchestration, and for sure
Like Kubernetes.
optimization. Yes.
Uh-huh.
So basically, if you have these three guys, containers, clusters, and orchestration and optimization, that's a good step to you go to cloud native.
Okay. All right. Um, and I think the other. Go ahead.
No, 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 go ahead.
So within that one, like, so if someone wants to move the application to the cloud, they want to automate it, and they want to use some of these things. Where does somebody start?
So first, go to my session, Dev.Next. That's a good start to. That's an amazing place to go.
Okay.
Beyond that, I have several articles about that. So follow me on Twitter, and then I can share again. So basically, I had three articles. The first one talk about the term. So what is cloud native?
Hmm.
I took several books. So I took the best part of these books for sure with the reference, so you can go deeper.
Hmm.
And and then you can go to a new product, a new Java E home. That's a Jakarta E. That's Java E in Eclipse Foundation.
Hmm.
So you can go there because right now Jakarta EE has the focus to be the home of the cloud native to Java.
Okay.
So you go to jakarta.ee and you can get the whole information to run your application in Java.
Okay, all right. So I think you've given us some great references. So, and I know I won't make you repeat the whole presentation. We'll save that for the actual session. But as we're on the subject of Java, this is the 25th year of the 25th anniversary, birthday, whatever you want to call it. Do you have any memorable stories about Java?
Hey Javed, that's hard to say one history because I can say my whole life changed because Java.
Mm.
I mean,
Because of Java or Javed?
Because of both, why not? Yeah. So, I mean, when I graduated, my first job was related with Java, and I tried to get engaged with several communities, and the Java community chose me. And that's true. A lot of people who has no idea about Portuguese started to learn a little bit of Portuguese to help me out.
Mm.
And for sure, later I started to learn English, but at the beginning you don't have enough money to, pay some English training, something like that. So the whole Java community is amazing and choose me instead of opposite. So that's why I start to go to the conference, try to learn English, and a lot of people help me give so experience.
Mhm.
So basically, I don't have one history. My whole life is a Java history
Is it
because
Java? Okay.
everything changed because Java.
Okay. So within that history, so obviously you've been engaged with Java for a long time, but within that one, is there like, I don't know, just like one specific incident you want to pick, something that really made your day, month, year, whatever.
Okay,
Some,
I'm gonna tell you one amazing experience that I had in Colombia.
okay.
So we had an amazing conference there, and then we rent a boat
Mm.
with 9 friends and went through several Caribbean Sea.
Huh?
We went to some sea museum. We see several stuff in Colombia. That was an amazing day
Uh-huh.
because first I improved my network because I knew better some friends that I had. And second, I learned a little bit about history and more about people.
Okay.
That was an amazing opportunity that Java gave to me.
Wow.
Yes,
That's beautiful. All right.
yes.
Okay. So, one final thought. I mean, we've got this global pandemic going on with coronavirus. How are you holding out?
Yeah, that's a good question because I already was a remote guy. So I just stay at home like I usually do every day.
Mm,
And try to be safe, try to keep my mind safe because it's hard to stay at home every single time, every single minute. Sometimes like get out, start, oh, I need to leave my home right now. And had some books and write some blog posts, write some code, contribute to some open source and something like that.
all right. Those sound like all like great things that you're doing. Well, Otavio, always a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you for giving us your time. Stay safe, and look forward to meeting you in at another time in another place. Take care.
Hope so.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.